Hello everyone, I am Shal Fernando. I am going to talk about the lathe machine. In the mechanical engineering field, the lathe machine plays an important role in manufacturing. A lathe is a machine tool which is used to remove unwanted metals from the workpiece to give desired shape and size. Lathe machine is one of the most important machine tools which is used in the metalworking industry. It operates on the principle of rotating workpiece and a fixed cutting tool. The cutting tool is fed into the workpiece which rotates about its own axis, causing the workpiece to form the desired shape. It is also known as the father or mother of the entire tool. Lathe machine is used to remove unwanted metals from the workpiece to give the desired shape. Lathe machine is also known as center lathe because of two centers between which the job can be held and rotated. Um, in a lathe machine, every individual part performs an important task. Main parts of the lathe machine are bed, headstock, main spindle, tailstock, lead screw, live center, dead center, carriage, saddle, apron, tool post, cross slide, compound slide, feed mechanism, belt feed mechanism, gear feed mechanism. Bed. The bed forms the base of the machine. It is mounted on the legs of the lathe machine, which are bolted to the floor. Headstock is an important part of the lathe machine, which is mounted permanently on the inner guide rails. Main spindle is a hollow cylindrical shaft. Its face has a standard nose taper. It is also known as a spindle nose. Tailstock is located on the inner guide rails, at the right side of the bed opposite to the headstock. Lead screw is used to transmit power to the carriage through the gear and clutch arrangement in the carriage apron. Dead center may be used to support the workpiece at either the fixed or rotating end of the machine. Carriage is located between the headstock and tailstock on the lathe bed guideways. Saddle is a edge-shaped casting. The saddle connects the pair of bed guide wheels as a bridge. The front portion of the carriage called as apron. Tool post is located on the top of the compound slide. It is used to hold the tools rigidly. Tools are selected according to the type of operation, mounted on the tool post adjusted to a convenient working position. There are different types of tool posts: single way tool post, four-way tool post, quick change tool post, fish type tool post, cross slide. Cross slide is situated on the saddle and slides on the dovetail guideways at right angles to the bed guideways. Compound rest is the bar which connects to cross slide and compound slide. It is mounted on the cross slide by tongue and groove joint. Compound slide is a T-shaped rounded star. It is fixed with cross slide per surface by two bolts which is related to a micrometer sleeve and screw handle with the outer edge of groove. Feed mechanism. There are several mechanisms to make the carriage and cross slide move automatically to change the direction of movement. Belt feed mechanism is widely used in older lathe machines. In this, a cone-stepped pulley is used for providing the different types of speed. To change the speed, a lever is used for sliding the belt at one foot at another. Belt feed mechanism has a disadvantage of the belt slipping in pulley chaining process. Gear feed mechanism. The power is transmitted from pulley to feeder or lead screw by power gear train. A lathe is a machine tool which used to remove unwanted metal from the workpiece in the form of chips with the help of a tool that travels across the workpiece and can be fed deep in work. When the tool is moved parallel to the workpiece, then the cylindrical surface is formed. If the tool is moved inclined to the axis, then it produces a taper surface and so called as taper turning. Working, it holds the work between two supports, so called as centers. Faceplate or chuck are used for holding the work. Faceplate or chuck are mounted on the machine spindle. The cutting tool is holding with the help of tool post. The movement of the job is rotating about the spindle axis. The tool moves either parallel or in relation to the torque axis. Various types of operations performed on the lathe machine are turning, taper turning, straight turning, profiling, external grooving, facing, drilling, boring, counter boring, taper boring, framing, knurling, chamfering, filling, parting, threading, grooving, forming, and polishing. Turning is the operation of reducing the diameter of workpiece to produce a cone-shaped or spherical surfaces. Simple single-pointed tools are used for turning operations. Taper may be defined as an uniform increase or decrease in diameter of a piece of wood measured along its length. Straight turning produces a cylindrical surface by removing excess metal from the workpiece. In profiling, the cut can be varied with regard to cutting depth, feed, and depth. External grooving, the outer diameter of the workpiece is increased. Phasing is an operation of reducing the length of the workpiece. Drilling is the operation of producing a cylindrical hole in a workpiece. Boring is the operation of enlarging a hole. Reaming is the operation of finishing and sizing a hole which has been previously drilled or bored. Knurling is the process of embossing a diamond-shaped pattern on the surface of a workpiece. Chamfering is the operation of beveling the extreme end of a workpiece. Filling is the finishing operation performed after turn. Parting is the operation of cutting a workpiece after it has been machined to the desired shape and shape. Threading is the operation to produce a helical groove on a cylindrical or conical surface by feeding the tube. Grooving is the process of reducing the diameter of a workpiece over a very narrow surface. Forming is the process of turning a convex, concave, or regular shape. Types of lathe machine: bench lathe machine, speed lathe machine, engine lathe or central lathe machine, capstan or turret lathe machine, special purpose lathe machine, automatic lathe machine. Work holding devices are a device that is used to hold and rotate the workpiece along with the spindle. Different work holding devices are used according to the shape, length, diameter, height of the workpiece. Thank you.